Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to duplicate application on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. You might use more than one account for certain apps in order to spirit your personal and professional life, but MacOs still can't run multiple copies of the app. So what if you want to duplicate application on your MacBook? It's a simple. So first of all, you can just open your application folder on your MacBook. So let's open the application folder first. Here, you can choose on the app that you want to duplicate. Maybe for the example, I will choose WhatsApp. I will copy WhatsApp or duplicate WhatsApp. Now you can click on the three dots over here and you'll find there is an option duplicate. You can just click on that. So now as you can see, MacBook is duplicating your application on your MacBook. You can also duplicate more than one application on your MacBook. Or maybe for example, you want to duplicate Telegram, you can just do the same thing. Click on the three dots over here, click on duplicate, so MacBook will be duplicating your application. So now we have two WhatsApp and also Telegram on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to duplicate application on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.